welcome back. I'm very excited today. I'm going to show you my completed sewing journal. I love how it turned out. I can't believe I've never made a sewing theme journal before, and this one was really fun. So I have one of Calico Collage's, her actual junk journal cover printed, and I just put that on the cover, and then my super cool ribbon that looks like tape, measuring tape, and then some fabric, and then I attached some scissors and some buttons as just a little mini dangle. And then I also have metal charms that we'll see when we go into the signatures. And here's the back. So this goes around and up on top. And then I use the same ribbon for the closure. And then on the inside I have some lace, and then my favorite fabric. I want curtains in this fabric. It's blue, what is it, pinking? Something? I don't know, I love it. I want my curtains in that fabric. So I have some of that just to kind of help stabilize the spine. I did keep the spine from this journal. I just wanted to make sure with all the stuff in it that it was nice and stable. And then we have some, man, words are hard, scrapbook paper, and then a little embellishment from the kit. And I had these, I almost called them scissors, good grief. These hangers in my stash, and they were perfect for this journal. And then this is a die cut that I have from Elizabeth Craft Designs. And one night I just sat and made a bunch from 6-inch paper pads. And so I had these on hand, and then I just added some embellishment to kind of go with the journal, just like the blue, and a little bit of lace. This is a page from the digital kit. I did some sewing with the lace, stitched that on. Isn't that pretty? I love the colors, and that's in another digital page. And then a book page with one of her embellishments. And then I made a little cluster in the corner. And then from the book, I have it right here, that I made a while ago. This one that have my tags in it. I'll link that video in the description. Oh man, don't fall over. If you want to see what I did, but these pages right here actually came from that book. And I thought they were perfect. They're all fancy with their hats. And then I did this with some fabrics. And I just kind of went hog wild with the fabrics and stitched them in. And then I made some fun journaling cards. I put some pattern paper in the background, and then put on some fun fabrics and some buttons. And so now that's a journaling card. This was another cutout from the kit. I have a vintage 60s sewing book, so I put some sewing pages in. This was a book page that I turned into a pocket, and then I did some collaging and fun things, some mixed media with some buttons and some stickers. And this is a wow, journaling card from the kit. One of the journaling cards that I made, and then I just put some ribbon on one of her items from the digital kit with one of those really fun sewing clothespins. Another page from the kit. I had this in my stash, and I thought it was great on the other side with this blue here. And then I added a little heart here from her embellishments from the kit. I had this cool paper in my stash. It was meant to be. And then I made a snippet belly band with different odds and ends that I had been cutting and keeping. And then I put some tags that I made, some mixed media tags. I love her. And I love the blue. And then I just added some bits and bobs from the cutouts. This is actually a scrapbook paper that I cut into the shape of a tag. This is another journaling page from the kit. I had this really cool piece of ephemera on my end camera. Okay, yeah. In my stash. Perfect time to use it. I love this scrapbooking paper with all the words. And this one was in my stash. And then made another little cluster. Originally, I just put this on with some glue dots because I thought, oh, it would be fun to kind of move around and use. But then I kind of lost its sticky, so I just went ahead and glued it on. Another one of the pages with the fun fabrics. Just, I love that. And then I tried matching the colors of her dress into this page. In my imagination, I was thinking that the gal who was the seamstress was looking at different dresses and different fabrics and getting ideas of, oh, what can I combine with it? And then there's some scrap patterns right there. And I love the hats. And then here I have two dangles. There's a sewing machine and some scissors. More fabric. More pattern paper. And then here I used a button card, added some buttons. I made this little tuck spot with this fun little tri-fold tag. Isn't that fun? And then I love the scrapbook paper. Added some more fun lace to the edge. Here's another belly band. I loved making these. I could just make them all day. And then here's a couple more of my mixed media tags. I thought they were cute to go with the sewing journal. And here's a little mini folder. Added some ephemera. And it just tucks in right there. More of the sewing pages. Here's another little envelope from the kit, and I just added some different cutouts and a fun little tag. Again, trying to kind of keep with the colors on the other page. Another one of my journaling cards. Another one of those. Guess it goes like that. Really fun. More of the pages. Here's a button card. Another piece of ephemera. Thought the color of the buttons went perfectly. And the scrapbook paper. There's some more fabric. Another little cluster. I love how this page, it looks like the ribbon is attached to this page, but it's not. It's actually on this next page. I had a sticker that I just put on scrapbook paper. All right, second signature. Here's some more fun scrapbook paper. This was a page from that one book that I had. Here's some little tags and fabric little washi that I have that I've made that I tuck into this little pocket. Maybe I can get it back in on camera. There we go. Cute. And then another Calico Collage page, another little cluster. Love this color. Real fun. Scrapbook paper. Pages. More fabric. And then I made a little pocket made out of book pages. Did some stitching and some stenciling, and then there's all these fun goodies tucked in. Little file folder. Let's just get tucked in there. Another fun scrapbook paper. Added some more tags. And then I have a glassine bag, a couple more tags. And this one I did some decoupage with a napkin. There's a little tuck on this one. Little envelope with fun little goodies. Another little tuck spot with some journaling cards. And this corset was also in my stash. And then the center of this signature, I have a ruler and this cute little bow with a pink little dangle. Then we have another pocket. Oh, things are sticking. Oh, come on. All right. So another one of those pieces of ephemera, some ephemera from the kit, a little tag that I made, and then I had this tag in my stash. And another part of the snippet, but I ran out of having enough to go this way, so I just made it a pocket. A little collage with a little item tucked up there. More tags. That's another pocket with more tags. And this one, I have a tag within a tag, and this fabric is so fun. And just some collage. More fabric. More journal pages. Here's another collage. This one, this pocket, I actually took 2 pieces of the pattern, the fabric, or the, pattern, from clothing. And then my collage sheet that I made, I put it inside and then I stitched it around. So it's kind of a fun texture. And then I just added this to the front, made a guest check and a tag. Those are fun. Here's another little tuck spot. More fabric. And then a little tag at the end. And look, isn't that fun when you see the fabric on the side? I love it. It's so fun. All right, well, there is my sewing journal. Whoops, and this came off. Let's clip that back on there really quick. This is my thing. Let me know in the comments if you've made a sewing journal before. It was a really fun journal to make. I'm super excited. I see another sewing journal in my future. It was really cute and fun. All right, well, thanks so much for watching and have a great crafty day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.